The Manchester police say they will be targeting lottery scammers as they increase their presence and operations to reduce murders and shootings. The announcement was made following a walkthrough of two communities on Monday. Krista Campbell has details.
Lottery scamming activity is causing a serious impact in the division. And if you, the citizens of Manchester, don't stand up with the police officer, it is only going to get worse.
And so, Deputy Superintendent Natalie Hall-Williams wants residents to report suspicious criminal activities. She specifically challenged parents to pay keener attention to their children's actions, noting a lot of criminal activities are happening right under their noses.
14-year-old, 18, 60-odd persons, when you check the phone, they have lead sheet. Tell me, a 14-year-old, what is it that they're doing with the lead sheet? We leave a lot on police officers, so something happen. And the first thing that you want to do is to take your child to the police station and say, officer, my son, my daughter giving me problem. Treat with it. It starts with you.
DSP Williams wants parents to question actions like an unemployed child asking them to put vehicles in their names.
You check your child bag and it starts with a pencil. It starts with a ruler. You don't ask questions to say, where did you get it? I did not give you that ruler. I did not give you that pen. But you say nothing. And that's how it starts. They leave school. You don't know of them being gainfully employed. Under a certain age, you cannot go to buy a lottery ticket or cash pot or whatever it is. And they come in and they have an high-end vehicle.
Now, while she insisted on the successes of curfews in helping to reduce crime in adjoining communities, she assured residents that the times are constantly being reviewed against the crime threats in respective communities.
We had an incident up by Greenvale. The bar was open until 1:30. Now the law says bar must be closed, whether you're a tavern or you are a village retail, it must be closed at 12 midnight. In some locations like Old England, the location is under curfew. And it's one of our measures that we put in place. It's a temporary measure.
23 murders have been recorded in Manchester since the start of 2026. But DSP Hall-Williams says new crime-fighting strategies will shake things up for the criminals.
I know in short order, you are going to see reductions in murder, reduction in shooting.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.